Hello everyone and welcome. First of all, let us see what are the tools which we are going to use in this particular course. So if you just go to your browser and type regex tester, you see lot of links. For example, the first one is regex101.com. Then the next one we have is regextester.com. We do have regexr.com and so on. So if I just go to this first one, that is regex101.com, here you can see that this is my regex101.com, and this is the most powerful and most well-known online regex tester. And we will be using this regex tester throughout this course. And if you just see, we also have this regexr.com. This is also a very good tester. So if you like this, then please go ahead and you can use this as well. And we also have this regextester.com. So few people run their regular expressions in this online editor as well. Okay, but we are going to stick with this regex101.com, and here you have to write your regular expression. So this is the area where you have to write your regular expression, and this is the text string. So whatever text string for which you have to write your regular expression, you have to write here, and you have to write the text string here. And you can see here it has a lot of flavors. For example, this regular expression you can run for PHP or JavaScript or Python or Golang. Now whatever regular expressions we are going to learn in this course will be more or less compatible with all of these flavors. For example, the same regular expression will run fine in PHP as well as JavaScript or Python or Golang or Perl or even HTML or Java as well. Of course, there will be some minor changes, but apart from those minor changes, you can still use the same regular expression which we will learn in this course throughout any programming languages. Okay, and suppose you have written a pattern here and your internet connection goes off for any particular reason, and in that case, if you want to work on offline regex tester or offline regular expression text editor, then you can just go to atom.io. okay, so you can just search in Google. If you just give here atom text editor, you see that you will get this link. Okay, that is https and then it is atom.io. So if you just come here, based on your operating system, you can just download it. For example, in my case I have Windows, so I have just installed this atom text editor. Okay, this is an open source and of course it is free as well, so you can easily use this without any issues. If you are facing any issues with your online text editor, that is regex101. So let me just show you how my atom text editor looks like. So here you see that once you install this atom text editor in your desktop, you will get a welcome screen. Okay, so just close that welcome screen. If you want to create a new file, you can just go there and click on new file under this file section, right? And here if you see, I have just written some piece of information in form of text, right? So either it can be in uppercase, for example H is in uppercase. Here you can see that these two words are in uppercase, then we have a dot, and here you can see that this is IP address. So basically this is IP address, and the one here, if you see this highlighted text, this is actually regular expression which I have written. Now first let me just show you one thing. Okay, let me just delete this, and normally it will be like this. Okay, and it will be like a closed panel. Okay, so basically once you come to this new file, it will be like a blank file, and suppose you have written some text, then what you have to do is you have to just go to this find, and under this find you can see that you have this find in buffer or you have this replace in buffer. Okay, so you just have to click on this find in buffer and you will get this particular panel, right? Or the other option is you can just give Control F. If you're working in Windows, then I just give Control F. You see that it gives me the same panel. Now, the most important thing here is you can see that there is an option here that is dot star. Okay. And if you just bring your cursor here, it says use regex. So you have to click on this in order to use regular expressions. Okay. And again, beside that, you see that it says match case. So by default, regular expressions are case sensitive. That is, there is a difference between capital and small alphabets. So just enable this as well. And whatever regular expressions you have to write in this particular area. You can see here it is saying that find in current buffer. So for example, let me just paste the previous regular expressions which was written here. So you see here that this is a regular expression, and of course at this point of time, since you don't know what is regular expression and how this looks like, so it might appear sort of scary to you, but once we move further in this course, you will see that it is easy, and you will see that you can easily write the regular expressions for this IP address. So basically, once you give enter, here you see that it gives one found, and it has highlighted this particular text, right? So you can either call this a text or you can just call it like a group of numbers. So this is highlighted by this regular expressions. So if I just remove this, you see that now it is not highlighted. But once I have given this regular expression, you see that it is highlighted. That means this particular regular expressions has found one text pattern, right? You can also replace this particular regular expression with some other value. For example, suppose you want to replace this with some other value. For example, just for the sake of example, let's replace this with ABC. Just give enter, and you see that now it is replaced with ABC, right? So at this point, I don't want to replace this with ABC, so I'll just remove it. And what I'll do is I'll just give Ctrl Z so that I get my IP address. And let me first delete this IP address here. Okay. Suppose I want to just match high. You can see that I have this high here, right? So if I just want to match high, you see that it gives me no result at this point of time. Once we give enter, you see that it has given me one found. So it matched this high. Now if I just give HI in small, for example, previously we gave H in capital letter, and now if I'm giving HI in small letter, if I just give enter, you see that it has not matched this particular high. Instead of this, it has matched high in this particular word, that is THIS. Similarly, it has highlighted high from here, high from here, high here, here, etc. Right? So you can see that regular expressions are very powerful. So if you just write simple regular expressions, for example, in this case, if I have just written high, it is able to match this high. And you can also write a regular expression which might appear complicated at first, but once you move further in the course, you see that those are very easy. So if I just write this regular expression, you see that this has matched this IP address as well, right? So you can even match a very simple word, and you can also match very powerful pattern as well. Throughout this course, we will be using this regex101.com. And of course, you can also use Atom as an offline regex tester as well. But we are going to stick with regex101.com at this point in this course. So thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next video lesson. Take care and bye.